Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn another reference managing software, which is Zotero. And this is the first tutorial about the Zotero, and we will learn how to get Zotero, how to install Zotero, and how to install the Zotero extension for our convenience. So let's jump into the video. Zotero download. Okay, and then you will be able to see this website, which is original website of Zotero, and it will look like this. And there are two things we need to download. First is download the Zotero software, and second is we need to install the connector or extension. This will be very useful and very convenient to download the citations. So let's first install the Zotero first, and I am installing for my window, and just double click and it's extracting, and it depends on how fast your computer is. Now we are here, and click next, and then choose the standard and click next, and choose the program where folder where you want to install the Zotero, and click install. So now it's installing, and once installation is complete, and you can finish, and we can open from Zotero. So this is how the Zotero looks like, and you can update it to Zotero 8, and I will say remind me later, and backup remind me later. And now we need to install the extension. Actually, a link is opened automatically and it asks to install the Zotero extension. So we can install in Firefox, or I can install in my Chrome browser. Since I am using Chrome browser, so I will install the Chrome. Click here, and it asks me to add the extension, and I will add to Chrome. So I will just say add extension. So let's see. Yeah. So it's the Zotero connector has been added to the Chrome. So if you want to see, and you will be able to see like this, and then click this pin, so you can see the Zotero is here. And alternatively, you can click on the setting and click extensions, manage extension. Here you can see the Zotero is added, and you can stop this, you can remove this at any time. So this is the Zotero, and this is the extension already added and shown in the Chrome browser. So today we learned how to get the Zotero, and how to install Zotero, and how to install the Zotero connector or extension. So in next video we will talk briefly about how to use the Zotero.